Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I think we all want to have a better night's sleep, and for me, a major player in having the perfect night's rest is having really high quality sheets. So I want to show you these, which I absolutely love. These are from HELANI, and this is a set of 1,000 thread count Egyptian cotton sheets. And these are awesome. So these are great for so many reasons, but first of all, they are incredibly comfortable. They're super, super soft, and they feel amazing to sleep in. They have a sateen weave to them, so they have a slight sheen. They have a really smooth feel to them. They feel slightly cool to the touch. They're really breathable. And these are just great because whether you sleep hot or you sleep cold, these really keep you comfortable either way. They're also easy to take care of. You can machine, wash, and dry them. And this fits up to a 16-inch mattress. So I have a pretty thin mattress, and the elastic around the fitted sheet does an awesome job at keeping the fitted sheet in place, even though I do have a thinner mattress. And the sheets just lie perfectly on the bed. And so they not only feel great, but they look great as well. There's a couple other details I really appreciate. One is that there are little labels on the head and the foot. So when you're making the bed, it just reduces frustration. I also really like that 4-inch hem on the pillowcases and on the flat sheet. It just really looks very classic and beautiful and like you're in a luxury hotel. So when you look at these, you feel like you're in a 5-star hotel. When you sleep in them, you feel the same way. They are so comfortable, breathable, easy to take care of, and they look gorgeous. I think you're gonna love them as much as I do, and that's my point of view.